My name is Beth Brown. This is Allie, and this is Gracie. Krystal Dawn Retreat is a wonderful place. They do many community activities here, but this day has been especially for autism kids, and it is just amazing. The workers are so wonderful here. Everything is so wonderful. It's so set up. If you need to use this facility, Lou and Barbara are more than willing to help you to have an event out here for your family or your kids. This is a place that was put here because God put it here. They put it in their hearts to come and do this Krystal Dawn Retreat, to open it up to parents that have children that have needs. And this is just such a wonderful thing. I don't know what else to say other than I'm glad God has put these people, Barbara and Leo, in the lives of all these children. It means so much to them and to the parents that they open this retreat up to them so that they can have a good life and see that they can be normal children like everybody else.
Hey, we're the Ingram family. I'm Tim Ingram, Megan Ingram, and my sweet Kayla Ingram. And we're here at the Krystal Dawn Retreat, enjoying this beautiful day. So me and my family have visited the Krystal Dawn Retreat several times. It's just a beautiful environment, atmosphere, with a great faith-based, and it's faith-based. And there's plenty to do, and the children absolutely enjoy it. We get fed, there's plenty of games, just fun things to do. And as you see here, Kayla always has a great time.
Hey, we love Krystal Dawn Retreat. We love Krystal Dawn Retreat. Yay! Yay! So it gives us something to do.
Hey, my name is Bob Smith, the Assistant Chief of Cordova Fire and Rescue, along with Sparky here today. And we just want to just say a little something about Krystal Dawn Retreat. We cannot, in a million years, describe to you the importance of this place. This community has really embraced them. They've supported them in many, many ways. We have been able to come down here and assist with so many events, from blasting casts to autism to Down syndrome events. And, you know, just the impact that they have on the community is just, words cannot describe what they do for not only the community, but even for us as first responders, allowing us to be able to come and interact with these children on a daily basis and be able to be a part of what they do. So we can't say enough about them, and thank you so much for supporting them.
Hello, I'm Jabba Ruth. I love you. And Krystal Dawn Retreat.
I'm Carrie Thomas, and I love Krystal Dawn Retreat because it gives us the opportunity to come and have exposure to everyone and feel included with everyone. We really love it here, and we appreciate Barbara and Leo.
I am Juliana Steen, and I love Krystal Dawn because the people are so nice and it's so supported, and it just helps so many people.
I'm Travis Connor, pastor at Call Memorial Baptist Church. Just wanted to say how much I really enjoy Barbara and Leo and Krystal Dawn Retreat. It's a great place for our community, a great place to come out and just have a wonderful time, whether it be in the pond, whether it be in the different activities that they always set up. They care for the kids, care for the families, and we just really appreciate them. It's been a wonderful place for me and my family, and we enjoy coming here each and every time. Every time we come, they focus their attention on the Lord, and they dedicate this place to Jesus Christ and their Lord and Savior.
I'm Andy Hutton, and this is Richard Hutton, and Krystal Dawn means a great place to come, have fun, have excitement. Don't have to worry about your kids getting in any danger or anything. It's a great way to let your kids express themselves. It really means a lot to have them to clear off the property and to actually let the kids just come and go boating, fishing, anything their hearts would do. So we're very grateful for them for what they've done.
Hey, my name's Barbara Heaton. I live here in Rockingham, and this is my first year of coming out here. But I've heard about it so much, and they do so much for these children. They get together and they have bouncy houses, they have fishing, they have boating, they feed them, and it's just a wonderful, wonderful thing that they do.
Hi, I'm Jamie. This is my daughter Shannon. This is my granddaughter Kylie. We come out here to Krystal Dawn Retreat at least once a year. They're wonderful people. They do just about anything for anybody. They'll let you come out here and fish, feed you like she just said. You can call them on just about anything. They will always be here for you. It's a great, wonderful place.